chapter and new subject for you, and you are very excited to learn this subject, and that is Sanskrit. So, before going to start our chapter, we will do a prayer that is given in your textbook. In the beginning of the chapter, the prayer is Vandana. So, let's start the chapter. Now, students, let's recite the sloka with me. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Understand the word meaning. Sakshat means easily visible. Parabrahma, the ultimate God. Sri Guruve, to the teacher. Namaha, that means bow with folded hands. Understand it with English translation. The teacher is Brahma, the teacher is Vishnu, the teacher is Lord Shiva, and the teacher is the manifestation of the ultimate Lord. Salute with the bowed head and folded hands to the teacher. अब इसको हिंदी में समझें. गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही शंकर है, गुरु ही साक्षात पर ब्रह्म है. उन सद्गुरु को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा. Now know the word meaning of the chapter. Vakratund, that means with the crooked face. Suryakoti Samaprabha, with the brilliance of crores of suns. May Sarvakareshu, in all my good deeds. Nirvignam, that means hurdle free. Kuru, that means you make me. Understand the translation. O you with the crooked face, huge body, and the brilliance of crores of suns, Ganpati, please make me hurdle free in all my good deeds forever. हिंदी में अनुवाद है इसका. हे हाथी के जैसे विशालकाय गणेश, जिनका तेज सूर्य की सहस्त्र किरणों के समान है, वो श्री गणेश सदा मेरे सभी कार्य बिना किसी विघ्न के पूर्ण करें. नमस्ते शारदे देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. Now let's understand the word meaning. Veena Pustak Dharani, that means, oh, the one holding a veena and a book. Sarade Devi, O goddess Sarada. Tubhyam, that means to you. Namaha, salute. Vidyarambham, starting studies. Karishyami, will do. Sarada, always. And Prasanna Bhav, be pleased. Understand the translation. O goddess Sarada, holding a veena and a book, I shall start studies. You, please be pleased with me forever. इसका मतलब है, हे देवी शारदा, वीणा और पुस्तक धारण किए हुए आप मुझ पे प्रसन्न हो और विद्या आरंभ करने की मुझे शक्ति प्रदान करें. So students, let's start some exercise related to the topic. The first question is fill in the blanks, and the first blank is Tasmai blank Namaha. What will be our answer? If you are knowing the sloka, you can easily know the answer. Which is the sloka? Guru ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. So tasmai, then after Sri Guruve Namah, and this is very common sloka that you are reciting in your school, in your at your home while you are doing prayer. So you know the answer very well. What will be the answer? Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. That means गुरु को प्रणाम करते हैं हम, उस गुरु को हम प्रणाम करते हैं. तस्मै मतलब उस, श्री गुरु मतलब रिस्पेक्टेड आवर टीचर्स, नमा that means going down. Number second, guru sakshat. Okay, this is the same sloka is there. What will be the answer? Guru sakshat par brahma. Par brahma. Okay students, you have to know how to write the Sanskrit words. If you are doing any mistake, the mark will be cut while you are giving the exam at that time. So you have to know how to write the Sanskrit words. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma. Parabrahma that means God. Our teacher is like a God. So we have to pray them. We have to go down with the folded hands. Right? The third number is Vakratunda Mahakaya. Okay, you know this sloka. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sarvakareshu Sarvada. So you know the answer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha. What will be the answer? Surya Koti. Right? Surya Koti, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha. Surya Koti that means hundreds or billions or crores of suns that holding by the Ganpati, Lord Ganpati. The fourth number is Kurume Deva, blank, then after Kurume Deva. What will be the answer? Blank number 4 is blank Kurume Deva. If you are knowing this sloka, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva. What will be the answer? Nirvignam. Nirvignam Kurume Deva. That means कि मुझे सारे दुखों से दूर कीजिए. Lord, the devotee is praying to Lord Sri Ganesha. निर्विघ्नम मतलब कि मुझे हर दुखों से आप दूर कीजिए, उसके लिए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं. डिवोटी दैट मीन जो भक्त है वो कह रहा है कि मुझे निर्विघ्न मतलब मुझे सारे दुखों से आप दूर कीजिए. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? निर्विघ्न मतलब कुरु में देव. ब्लैंक में आएगा निर्विघ्न. नाउ ब्लैंक नंबर 5, नमस्ते ब्लैंक देन देवी. The third sloka. Okay, you have learned the first sloka, Sri Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. The second is Vakratunda Mahakaya, and the third sloka is which is given in your textbook, and that is Namaste Sarade Devi, Veena Pustak Dharini, Vidyarambha Karishyami, Prasanna Bhava Sarvada. So you are going to pray Lord Goddess Saraswati, and this is the sloka for Lord Goddess Saraswati, and that is Namaste Sarade Devi Veena Pustak Dharini Vidyarambha Karishyami Prasanna Bhava Sarvada. Here the student is praying Lord Goddess Saraswati कि मुझे आप विद्या आरंभ करने में जा रहा हूँ, उसके लिए आप मुझ पे प्रसन्न होइए और मुझे उस विद्या प्राप्त करने की ताकत दीजिए. तो in this sloka we are going to go down the Lord Goddess Saraswati. What will be the answer? Namaste Sarade Devi. Sarade. Here is the answer. Sarade. The Sharde is goddess Saraswati, goddess of learning. Right? These five blank are there. You have to note it down in your notebook and learn it. And also one important thing, you have to learn these three slokas. It is very important in your exam. What will be the question? Complete the sloka, and you have to write the sloka by yourself with the proper word meaning. Don't do any single mistake in writing the Sanskrit words, right? The second is find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words, right? Here is some Sanskrit words, and you have to find out the true meaning, right meaning, and tick it, right? So you have to find out the first meaning, Tundam, Vakratunda Mahakaya. It is the words used by the noun words which is used for Lord Ganesha. Tundam, that means face. What is the answer? Face, not God. It is the answer face. Second number, Koti. Koti is a numerical words which is the answer is not reason, crores. आप जो numbers count करते हैं, crore, billion, million. So here is 40, that means crore. Bhava. Bhava means the option is birth and happen. So what will be the answer? Happen. Happen, that means bhav. 4 number, sarvada. The two options are there, ever or sometimes. So what will be the answer? Ever. मतलब कि हमेशा के लिए. सर्वदा का मतलब क्या होता है? हमेशा के लिए, all the time. Then प्रभा. प्रभा का मतलब waves नहीं होता, light होता है. लाइट. हियर इज सूर्य कोटि समप्रभा, मतलब सूर्य की लाइट से, सूर्य की किरणों से जो हमें ताकत मिलती है वो हमें प्रदान करें. तो यहाँ पे है लाइट. आंसर इज लाइट, राइट? सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस श्लोकास with the proper exercise, blank and word meanings. You all have to learn this sloka and note it down in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live conversation with the teachers and students. Okay, thank you.